Hi, Kamaris! Come with me to celebrate Kuya's birthday. So, nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday ni Kuya. And magdi-dinner kami dito sa bahay. At yung food namin guys. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Tikman natin. Caramel. Sarap siya guys. Red ribbon. So that's all for today's vlog guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.